Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video we're going to restore this frame from this into this. And if you have any question about this paint restoration job, feel free to leave a comment. And please like and subscribe to the channel, which is always appreciated. So let's get started. The process of restoring bike frame paint basically involves disassembling the entire bike. At least the crankset, wheels and brakes needs to be removed so you can access all difficult to reach parts of the frame. Before you can really work on the polishing step, the frame needs to be clean, because if you polish the frame with tiny pieces of grit left onto it, you can actually increase the damage to the paint by creating new scratches when you rub the grit into the frame. First, I spray the entire frame, and especially the dirtiest parts, with WD-40 bike cleaner and let it sit for 5 minutes. The next step involves cleaning the frame with baby wipes and remove as much of the dirt as possible. The baby wipes just didn't cut it because a nasty film of grease stayed onto the frame. So I decided to use a bit of white spirit on a wipe, which dissolves the grease, and continue to mop it up. The last cleaning step was to remove anything that's left on the frame with a wet cloth. With the entire frame cleaned, I continue with the following, which is using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to remove surface scratches from the paint. The compound acts as a liquid sandpaper and removes part of the clear coat, and by doing so, it enables the clear coat to more evenly reflect light, and this in turn increases the shine of the paint. Just to be sure, this is purely cosmetic, since it actually reduces the thickness of the clear coat. And to apply the compound to the frame as well as the wax in the next step, I use Meguiar's foam applicator pads. And don't hesitate to put some time and elbow grease into these cutting and waxing steps. I use Meguiar's Deep Crystal Carnauba wax for the waxing step, and waxing the frame actually does protect it a little bit, and it does so because it levels out the clear coat by applying a tiny layer on top of it. And this is another way to increase the frame's ability to directly reflect light and make it shine. Get the wax on the frame, let it sit for a couple of minutes to let it harden, and then clean off the excess wax with a paper towel or dry cloth. The final result is a beautifully restored paint job on your favorite vintage bicycle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know what your tips and tricks with respect to restoring a bike's paint job are, and be sure to check out the next video. Bye for now.